Hi, I'm Doug. I work with 20 great guys in St. Louis at Doug Jenkins Custom Hot Rods, and we're going to do some work for you today on ExpertVillage. Next, Alex is going to go ahead and remove the rest of the trunk floor. The reason he's removing it, he's got everything cut and trimmed and fit, little filler pieces made here and there. He's removing the whole thing now so that he can clean off all the edges of the electrocoat on the panels. These panels come from the manufacturer with an electrocoat or an E-coat primer on them that's electronically adhered to the steel as a rust proofing. It's not a good idea to weld through this stuff. Some people do, but we prefer not. So he's going to remove all the pieces so he can get the electrocoat off the edges of everything he's going to weld, get the edges where it gets welded into the car straight, get them all clean so that the welding works as good as possible. So there's what the trunk floor looks like when it's out of the car.